welcome to this week's vlog. Today's Thursday again. Got a little bit left to do on my fox collection, so just finishing off the last little bits of the sculpture, so still have a little bit more painting to do on the body, and try and work out a stand for it, but almost done. And then I'm going to take some pictures. So he's almost done. I'm going to try and finish up, not finish up, but get a good chunk of work done on the posable art doll version of the fox, and then I'm just prepping for getting the print and sticker collection released tomorrow, which will probably already be up, so you can check it out at creaturesofnat.com. In my shop there's 5 prints and a sticker set of 5 stickers. So yeah, you can head there, and they're all really affordable. I tried to make more affordable things, more affordable work for people, because I know my dolls aren't really affordable to some people and they wanted to support in different ways. So yeah, coming up with different ways of my work for people that would like to support. So you can head over there if you want to take a look at what I have. Anyway, I'm going to get to work today, and yeah. Just the end of the day. Give you a little update of what I've done. So I started sewing up my posable art doll fox, the celestial fox that I'm working on, the collection. So I started sewing that up, and was waiting for some things to dry before I moved on to the next part of the sewing. So I thought I need to do a new sculpt of my wolf, because that's like an original one that I sculpted when I first started, so it needs to be redone again. So I've been meaning to sculpt a new head for that particular, a new wolf head. So it took a little longer than what I wanted it to, but this is what we have. So this is the new wolf sculpt. I did record it all, so it'll be a separate video of sculpting it. I used my fox sculpt as the base for it, and I spent a number of hours sculpting it, and when I was finished I wasn't happy with it, so I I wasn't happy with the position of the eyes, was what the problem was. They were too low and it didn't look like a wolf. So what I did was I pulled the eyes out and repositioned them. Luckily it didn't take too long, and it made it look so much more like a wolf. And I wanted to give it a bit of a angrier expression than the last one, so I sort of tried to get that not too angry, not like a snarly angry, but more angry, a sort of frowny face. Yeah, so that's what we have. So I'm gonna leave it overnight and come back to it and see if there's anything that I don't like about it that I can change before I end up molding it. So it's always good to put your sculpture down for a couple of hours and come back to it, or even overnight and come back to it, because when you look at something for too long, it ends up looking, I don't know, you end up not seeing any of the faults in it. So I always like to put it down and come back to it and have a look for any faults that I don't like and see if I can sort of fix it up. So yeah, that's probably ready to mold. So I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out this time. So the old wolf sculpt will probably retire now, and then I can start casting this up. It's the same size as well, so I can use the same feet, which would be that. Yeah. So yeah, pretty happy with the way it looks. And if you wanted to know, this is in monster clay, so if you wanted to know what I sculpt in. Anyway, so that will be it for me today. I'll continue on tomorrow and see what I can get done. Probably concentrate on my fox tomorrow, because I want to get that collection done. And yeah, so I'll probably catch you tomorrow. Sign off for today, for this vlog, but I wanted to show you what I got done. So I managed to sew up my posable art doll version of the fox. I still have to fur its face and everything, but should be done by next week. So it's kind of hard to see the back end here. So got the half black, blue, and then white with blue eyes. So I'm gonna fur the face, and then it's pretty much done. And then the collection should be ready to go live, I don't know, maybe next week or the week after. I'm not too sure. I don't want to rush to actually get it done. What else? I've also managed to finish the sculpture version of it, so that is ready to for some photos to be taken, and then it should be available along with the collection as well. But like I said, this one won't be cheap just because it's a sculpture and it takes a lot of time and materials to actually sculpt it. So yeah, so that one is done. I'll do a proper video when I release the collection anyway. What else? That's pretty... Oh, actually, I did a little watercolor study. Something a little bit different, something a bit lighter than what I normally do. So it is a polar bear with an aurora. So that'll probably be available in the next collection release that I do, which is, I don't know when. I still might add something to it, I'm not too sure. I feel like there's something might be missing in it. Because I usually do a lot of black in my watercolors, and this one I used very little black, and I feel like it's missing something without the black. But I wanted to keep it light because it's a polar bear, so yeah, so no. Yeah, and then my collection of other creature heads went up this morning, so you can head over to creaturesofnat.com to see what is available there. That is pretty much it for me today, for this week. But you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of Nat, and I sort of post things throughout the week and what I'm working on. So next week I plan to mold my wolf head, so that's ready to go. I got another commission for a wolf today, so I need to get cracking on that. And then I'll have to do some molding, do the mold and do a test cast to see that it actually, the mold is actually good, which I've never really had a problem casting things like that. They're usually fine. So that will be next week though, so I'll do some footage on that. But yeah, so I'll probably catch you next week, and yeah, in the meantime, check me out on the social medias, and yeah, okay, see ya, bye.